Today, we're going to give you a complete step-by-step masterclass when it comes to Amazon FBA listing optimization. I'm going to break down how to create the best title, the best bullet points, the best description, and how to find the best information to create the best photos for your Amazon listing. If you don't do this, your competition is going to destroy you. So instead, let's destroy your competition. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller. And in the last 30 days on my main seller account, we have done just over $80,000. And I share that with you just to let you know that what I teach is what I implement in my own FBA business. So if you guys are new, consider subscribing. And let's come over here and let's dive into the best way to optimize your Amazon listing. All right, so let's jump into my screen and give you a complete masterclass when it comes to listing optimization. And let's say I am selling this product. It's a bunny house. So this works whether you're creating a listing from scratch or you're creating or re-optimizing an existing listing. So it's going to start by coming to Amazon and searching for your main keyword. And then you're going to download what's called the Shoelix Chrome extension. I have a link down below for 20% off for 12 months. This tool is going to revolutionize the way that you optimize your Amazon listings. So the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this review analysis. So again, this is the Shoelix Chrome extension. I'm going to click on this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on all of my main competitors. And what this is doing is it's going to pull in all of the reviews from all of my top competitors. So I'm clicking on products that are most similar to mine, and it's going to analyze and give me a complete consumer insight report using artificial intelligence. So this used to take literally hours by manually sifting through all the reviews, but I just selected 16 products and I'm gonna hit create report. This is going to take around a minute or so to create. And again, it's going to analyze all of the reviews to give me the best insights to know how to best optimize my listing, which I will show you. So while that report is generating, as you can see, it's 66% done. We're going to come over here to an actual Amazon listing, to the bunny house or the rabbit hideout or whatever you want to call it. And again, you're going to click on the Shoelix Chrome extension. From here, you're going to go to the Ask tab. And as you can see, there's some different tools. There's translation. So if you want to create a listing or re-optimize for a different marketplace in a different language, you can do that. Or right here, this is the very and most important part when it comes to creating the perfect Amazon listing, is finding the best keywords. If you are not indexed for certain keywords, that means you are not searchable. And if you're not searchable, people can't find your product. And if people can't find your product, people can't buy your product. So we need to get the best keywords. And basically all you do is you give put your product name right here, the category, the product features, the language that you want it in. So again, this works in different languages, and then you hit submit. And from there, it pulls in a report of all of the main keywords that you're going to want to be sure to include in your listing. From there, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back up here to either listing optimization. This is if you want to re-optimize, but if you want to create a brand new listing from scratch, you come to listing generator. From here, you click on the platform. Again, this is great. It works for all sorts of different marketplaces. So if you sell on Walmart, if you sell on eBay, if you sell on Etsy, it works for that. But we sell on Amazon, and that's what I'm going to show you guys for the masterclass. Then you're going to do the product category. We'll do pet supplies. This is where you're going to paste in all of the keywords right here. And then you're going to go to the product features. So this is where you can go in and kind of talk about the different features. And this is going to help the AI tool basically create the perfect listing. Then from there, you're going to give it a brand name. So let's just say my brand name is Bunnies with a Z, and then the language, and I'm going to hit submit. From there, it's literally going to go in and create an entire listing in a matter of seconds. So all I needed to do was give it the basic prompts, such as keywords, the category, the brand name, the language, and just like that, it gave me a great title, gave me some awesome bullet points that I can then copy and paste. But we're not going to stop there because it's important to take it a little bit further. So I'm going to copy this over here, and I'm going to come to my Google Doc, and I like to just kind of organize it on a Google Doc. It just keeps things a little bit more organized for me. And so right here, we've got my title, and then we've got the bullet points right there ready to go. what we're going to do now is we're going to come back to the report that is complete. So we're going to hit view report. And again, this is where we're going to see all of the consumer insights from all of the reviews. So this tool analyzed 489 reviews in a matter of a minute, and it's going to give me super valuable insights to take and put into my listing, into the actual copy, so in my description and bullet points. And then it's going to show me what I need to make sure that I add on my actual listing images. So it's going to give me the customer profile. It's super important to know who is actually buying your product. So who, when, where, and what. If you don't know that, then you might as well not even sell the product. So it gives you the complete breakdown there. The usage scenario is where it starts becoming extremely valuable and why this tool is an absolute must when it comes to listing optimization. It's going to show how consumers are actually using your product. And they know because they pulled in all of the customer reviews, and it tells you exactly. It says pet shelter, hideaway for small animals, spacious habitat, exercise and interaction, favorite napping spot, feeding area, housing rabbits, travel and portability, Christmas gift. And so what you're going to want to do is make sure all of these points, these usage scenarios, are included in the description, in the bullet points, and then also in your listing infographics. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have an image of a bunny sleeping in your bunny house and say favorite napping spot, and then have a big arrow and point at this bunny sleeping in your house. And then it will get the customer being like, oh, my bunny's going to love sleeping there. Or right here, travel and portability. You can show that it's easy to take down and set back up. And if people need to take it to a friend's house because they're going on vacation or whatever, it's an easy setup and takedown. So that's one thing that you're going to want to include. Spacious habitat. You might want to show if it's going to fit a big bunny or a small bunny. And these are super key points that you're going to display in your listing so that customers aren't guessing what they're getting. And the better visuals that you have, the more likely it's going to convert. So that is a super valuable part with this usage scenario. The next thing is the rating optimization. This is just a little golden nugget side tip from listing optimization. If you guys are doing product research and you're looking for ways to improve a product, this is a great way to know how to destroy your competition, because it breaks down basically competition is doing poorly. And you can go in and solve the problem. So it's not sturdy, flimsy, poorly made, cage quality, falls apart, difficult to clean. You can fix all of those. So that's just a little golden nugget for you guys. But right here, the customer sentiment, this is what they're complaining about. So what you can do is you solve the problems because you did your research on how to create the best product. You can go in and say, my product does this, 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 and this. And it's basically solving what the other people are not doing, your competition is not doing. And you're clearly advertising to the customer saying, this is why my product is better. And so again, if your competition's is not sturdy, you will say ours is super sturdy, and you can show maybe a weight resting on the house, showing that it's sturdy. Flimsy bottom, you can show that it's durable. Size issues, again, showing that yours fits larger bunnies. Difficult assembly, you can show that you have a how-to tutorial on how to set it up. It comes with an instruction guide, and it's a super easy process, and you can show how to set it up. It falls apart, difficult to clean. You can show somebody cleaning the house. Again, these are super valuable things that you're going to add in your listing. So you're going to have this in your actual images. You're going to display this with infographics, lifestyle images, and then also in the A+ content, so that when customers come to your listing, they aren't guessing what they're getting, and they know that they're getting the absolute best product. And again, this report is a lot of information. And so it's your job to take this information and plug it into the bullet points, into the description, the A+ content, the listing images, to make sure that when the customer comes and clicks, they convert. The next thing is right here, the buyer's motivation. This is very important. This is why and what makes the customer buy. So you need to make sure that you have all of this in your description and have it check, check, check. I know this is a lot of information, and I know I'm going over it quickly, but you guys can download this tool And again, I have the link down below for 20% off for 12 months. And you can pull this same exact report and do this on your listings, on your new listings, and make sure that you are the most optimized and that you're destroying your competition. So let's come over here and we'll end with the customer expectations. This is what the customer is expecting to get. And so again, if you can advertise and make it very clear that, hey, we have a sturdier top, ours is better quality, ours is easy to clean, and you have infographics, you have this in your bullet points, and you have it plastered everywhere, well, the customer is going to know that yours is the best product. And so you take this information and you create the best listing, and you'll come back over here to that Google Doc, and you'll basically build off of what the artificial intelligence chatbot created, and you'll add those different features that we just pulled from this amazing report that Shoelix pulled from all of the reviews. So this is the best way to optimize your Amazon listings, is by pulling the review data, getting the consumer insights that I just talked about. Again, it's a lot of information, and so it basically compiles it into just a super easy report. And you take that report and then you use it with your photographer. You make sure your infographics are just perfect, and then your A+ content, your description, your bullet points have all of the things that the customers want to see. And this tool just allows you to do that. So this is a fantastic way to optimize your listing. I absolutely love this tool. It's part of my routine now when creating a listing, because I'm not guessing what the customer wants to see. I know exactly what they want to see because the reviews indicate it, and they tell me exactly what the problems are. And yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a breakdown of how I optimize my listings, again, from a 7-figure Amazon seller. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, click the link down below to get Shoelix. It's 20% off for 12 months. Again, this tool is game changer. Not only does it help with listing optimization, but it also helps when it comes to differentiating your product. And if you want to see a video where I use Shoelix to differentiate the product, I'll put the link down below as well, and you can check it out. It's on my YouTube channel. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.